everybody, and welcome to another episode of Girly Product Reviews. Today, I got another parcel in the mail. This one's from thinkgeek.com. You gotta love what the heck they sell. They sell some good stuff. Let's open it up. Okay. It is the Doctor Who 9th and 10th Doctor's sonic screwdriver. The same sonic screwdriver used by Christopher Eccleston and David Tennant. But for some reason, on the packaging, it has David Tennant on this side and Matt Smith's face on this side. I don't know what that's all about. So it's gonna be, remember what happened the first time I tried to open a Doctor Who one? We had to use the sonic screwdriver. So, better get it out. This is the one with the screwdriver bits. So let's see. Okay. At least I have the instructions on the back. Really nice packaging. It's got that lovely, extremely hard to cut through thing. It's gonna be fun to cut through. Not. I succeeded in getting the thing out. It took like about 30 minutes. So I got the batteries here. So we're gonna just read and find out how the heck to put the batteries in. Okay. There we are. Alright, so according to this, there should be a screw. Where's the screw? That's what she said. I don't see the screw anywhere. Where is it? What the heck? Let's get to the point where I actually get the battery thing open. Well, that was complex. You basically have to take off the little cap, then you have to unscrew where the cap was, pull the extender out, and then pull the entire thing out. Now you take this part off, according to what it says, and you put the batteries in. I've never seen a toy that's this hard to open, ever. Okay. Put the cap back in. Line it up. Use the other sonic screwdriver to get the thing in there. There we are. Put the cap back on it. Like that. Now you take, it has these two little pieces here. One of which is a pen. And the other one is a something with a white thing on the end of it? A white head? Oh, UV ink nib, it's called. Interesting. Okay, so then you just snap that onto the end. Then cool. That's pretty sweet. So let's see if this UV thing works. Take a piece of paper. Okay. We're going to do it in two different versions. We're going to do the black one, and then we're going to do the white one by itself. The black one's also going to have the UV stuff, this stuff on it already. So we'll be able to see what the heck to do. There we are. They're kind of tight. They're on there quite tight. Alright. It's not as in-depth as, like, oh, say, this one. But its extension is still in the same kind of area as the 11th one. Because when you extend it, can't do anything with it. It's only when it's in its closed state that you can make it do the sound effects. But it's still a cool one to have. Alright, let's see if this thing works. Oh, that's creepy. It does. It works. Well, it works. I saw it. That's creepy. That's really creepy. Wow. This thing works. I have to give this a 8 out of 10 because it's an awesome piece, but it's extremely hard to get out of this package and extremely hard to figure out where the batteries go. And the fact that they wrote the instructions so freaking tiny didn't help. So yeah, an 8 out of 10. So yeah, they should have written them in bigger format. But other than that, it's a pretty awesome thing. I like it. It's a nice addition to my sonic screwdriver collection. So till next time, people, this is Inu Sky Pie saying I don't have a single word going through my head that makes sense, and I like sonic screwdrivers.